As a developer, you're probably used to building on different back-end frameworks, each with its own set of nuances and challenges. The two most common types of architecture that e-commerce platforms are built on are monolith and microservice. While monolith architecture is a full-featured and quick to get up and running, it's a closed system. This makes it hard to extend functionality beyond what's already built in, and it can be difficult to accommodate evolving client needs. On the other hand, building on a microservice architecture offers greater flexibility with plenty of opportunities to customize. However, it calls for higher complexity and longer development cycles. It also requires continued code maintenance in order to keep everything working smoothly. So how is Shopify's architecture different, and what does this mean for you as a developer? Shopify offers a solution that unites the benefits of both. Manage core functionality that is extendable through customizations. Access to all extension points allows you to write focused code that hooks into our core services without worrying about hosting services or replacing large blocks of core code. It also means you don't need to worry about building and maintaining core code. And if you need to extend existing functionality, we provide a full suite of APIs to expose Shopify data and allow you to build extensions to meet any client needs. Now, let's take a quick look at how Shopify's architecture is laid out. It's made up of a series of components. With a traditional storefront, at the top of the stack is your e-commerce storefront, as well as your unified cart and checkout. These make up your online store, the surface your customers will interact with. This is the heart of Shopify and the head of your architecture as a Shopify developer. Underneath this top layer, you'll find a series of optional components. Some come out of the box, some may be add-ons, but all are easily replaceable with our APIs should you choose a different tool. The Storefront API is essential for building custom shopping experiences. It provides access to render product and inventory details. It's also used to initiate checkouts from web, mobile, or gaming devices. Alternatively, a headless storefront can also be built on Shopify. This setup uses the Storefront API with the framework of your choice to link the Shopify backend with the client's chosen front end. For more information on building headless on Shopify, check out our headless learning pathways. Now that you're familiar with where you can build on Shopify, it's time to get better acquainted with each component. In this learning pathway, you'll dive deeper into extending Shopify. This includes theme customization, incorporating custom data, app development, and managing server-side data. You'll learn how to navigate the tools and resources available to help developers build on Shopify. And apply your knowledge at each stage with practical examples in activity labs. Let's get started.